Did you know that you can make up to $100 to $200 every single day on Facebook for free, even with 0 followers? So now let's find out on this video. When you come here, you can see my earning on ClickBank, as you can see this week, as you can see last week, and then when I scroll, you can see my daily earnings that I've made on ClickBank, as you can see right here. On this channel, I show you actionable tips that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So the first thing is that you are going to come right here and click on the marketplace. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and when you scroll down, you can see that these are categories of products that you can promote. So as you can see, there are a lot of them that you can select and then choose a product that you want to promote. So as you can see, you are going to scroll down and choose a product, but most of these categories don't make a lot of sales. So you are going to choose a popular category where you can get a lot of people to patronize the product that you are promoting. Business and investing is a category that is popular right now. When you come here, you can see e-business and e-marketing is also another category that is popular now. So when you scroll down, you can see health and fitness is another popular category. When you scroll down, you can see spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs is also another category that is very popular. So you are going to choose a product in the popular category so that you can get people to purchase the product, and you are going to earn a commission once you get a sale. On this video, what we are going to be doing is that I'm going to select the health and fitness product so that I will show you step by step on how to use this category to make money easily on Facebook. So you are going to click on the health and fitness category. So once you click on health and fitness category, you can see these are products that you can promote to earn a commission. For example, when you promote this product, you are going to earn $146 per sale. The second product, you can see you are going to earn $117 per sale. So let me scroll down for you to see. So when you come here, you can see there's another product here. You are going to earn $104 per sale. You can see there are many of them, $153 per sale. So what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting these products, and this is what we are going to do to get sales within a day. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open a Word document. Once you open the Word document, you are going to type a title like this: 5 best weight loss programs. Once you give a title like this, the next thing is that you are going to come back to ClickBank, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then click on rank. Once you click on rank, you are going to select gravity. Once you sort the products by gravity, you are going to get the product that affiliates have made sales within the last 2 weeks. So when you come here, you can see this product is trending right now. You can see the gravity number is over 1,000. When I scroll, you can see this one, the gravity is 582. You can see, so these are products that are trending right now. So you have to promote these products so that you can get people to purchase them for you to earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then copy this product. So you are going to copy the name of this product and then send it back to your Word document, and you are going to paste the name of the product right here. Once that is done, you can see one. So you are going to go to the next product and you are going to copy it as well. So you are going to scroll down and come to the next product, and you are going to copy the name of this product. So once you copy the name of the product, you are going to come here, and this product you are going to place it at second place. When you come here, you are going to copy the next product and the next one. So I'll do that and come back to you. As you can see, you are going to create a list like this. Once you create the list, the next thing is that you are going to come to this website, FreePLRdownloads.com. So once you come here, you are going to scroll down and come here and click on the weight loss niche. So once you click on the weight loss niche, you are going to select a book here so that you can use the book to promote your product. So as you can see right here, you can see these are page 1 books, as you can see. So you can also go to page 3 so that you can get quality books to download. So you go to page 3, as you can see right here. So once you come to page 3, you can see the different weight loss books that you can download, and you can use them for whatever that you want. These are PLR products, so private label right products, so you can use them for whatever that you want. So as you can see here, a lot of them. So we are going to download one of these products and then use it to promote the products that we've listed. So as you can see here, we are going to download this fat burning script. So we are going to click on it. So once you click on the book, the next thing is that we are now going to scroll down and come right here and then download the book. So you are going to click here, download, and the book is going to be saved onto your PC. So as you can see, once I click on download, you can see the book is downloading right here. As you can see right now, the book has been downloaded to my PC. Once you download the ebooks, they are mostly in zip files, so you are going to open the zip file and you can see the main ebook here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to cut it and save it in a different folder. So I'm going to paste it on download so that I can find it easily to demonstrate for you to understand. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to come to this website, cedar.com. So this is a website that allows you to edit PDF documents. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on upload so that you can edit these ebooks. Once you click on upload file, you are going to select the ebook and then click on open. Now as you can see, this is the ebook. As I scroll, you can see how it looks like. So as you can see it right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down to the last page. The next thing is that you are going to click on insert page here. So you are going to insert a new page. And the reason why we are doing this is that we want to insert our affiliate links in this ebook so that when we give this book away, we can get people to read the ebook and then click through our affiliate links. Once they click through and make a purchase, you then earn a commission. Once you click on insert new page, the next thing is that you are going to click on text so that you can add the list that we created. So you are going to click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to see a text box right here. So you are going to delete this text. Once you delete it, you are going to come back to your Word document, and what you are going to do is that you are going to copy your list that you created. Once you copy the list, you are going to come back to the ebook, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your list here. So as you can see, these are the lists that I've created. So let me arrange it well. So as you can see, this is your list, and what you are going to do is that you are going to start inserting your affiliate links in each of these lists that you've created. So you are going to come back to ClickBank. Once you come back to ClickBank, the first one is exit. What you are going to do is that you are going to click on promote. So once you click on promote, you are going to enter your account's nickname. Once you enter your account's nickname, you are going to come here and click on generate hop link. So once you click on generate hop link, this is now your unique affiliate link, and when people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. So you are going to click on copy so that you can get your unique affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your list, and what you are going to do is that you are going to now insert your link here. So you are going to come here and then select link. Once you select link, you are going to highlight the product. Once you highlight the name of the product, you are going to insert your link here. So you are going to paste it. Once you paste it, you are going to just press on enter. So the next thing is that you are going to do that for the rest. So you are going to go back to ClickBank and you are going to scroll down to the next product, and you are going to click on promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to enter your account's nickname. Just click on generate hop link, and you are going to copy your hop link. Once you copy your hop link, you are going to go back to your list and you are going to insert it to the second product right here, as you can see here. So you are going to paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to press on enter, and you are going to do that for the rest. So let me do that and come back to you. So you are welcome back. As you can see, this is how you are going to do it. So once you insert your affiliate links in each of the names of the products, the next thing is that we are now going to click on apply changes. So as you can see, once you click on apply changes, you can see the document is ready. So what you are going to do is that you are going to download this document onto your PC. So once you download the document, you can find it here. So I'm going to open it to show you how it looks like. As you can see, this is the document, and let me scroll down to show you how the affiliate links look like in this particular document. So when you scroll right here, you can see these are our affiliate links. So anytime people read this book and then click on any of this link and make a purchase of the product, you are going to earn a commission. So we are going to give this book away to people so that they can read it and then click through this link and purchase the product for us to earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to Facebook. So once you come to Facebook, you can just come to the search area and search for how to lose weight. So once you click on how to lose weight, you are going to scroll down and then select groups. So once you select groups, you are going to find a lot of groups here. So as you can see, the first one has a lot of members. You can see the second one too has a lot of members. The third one has a lot of members. And as you scroll, you can see that many of these groups have a lot of members. you can see this one here, 1.6 million members. So what you are going to do is that you are going to promote the ebook in these groups. So you are going to just open the group. So once you open the group, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and click on file. So once you click on file, you are going to select here upload file. So we are going to upload the PDF document here free to the audience. So as you can see, it is going to be uploaded. As you can see, this is the ebook. So you are going to write some simple sentences here. So you are going to write a simple sentence like this: I am giving away my ebook as a gift to everyone in this group. You can download it below for free. So this is a simple sentence that you are going to just write and then publish this particular ebook onto the group. So you are going to click on post and your book is going to go live onto this particular groups. As you can see, your post has been submitted, waiting for the approval of the administrator. The next thing is that we are going to post to another group. So we are going to go back and then we are going to come to the second group. So once you come to the second group, you are going to repeat the same steps. So once you come to the second group, you are going to click on file and you are going to upload the same document. As you can see, some PDF files here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click here upload file and you are going to upload the same PDF here. So let me do that. You are going to open and then you are going to write a simple sentence right here. As you can see, you are going to write a simple sentence just like this. If you want to lose weight fast, I recommend you read this book below. It is free. Just click on it to get access. You are going to write a simple sentence like this. Once you write your simple sentence, you are just going to click on post and this book is going to go live on this particular group. As you can see, it has been submitted. So you are going to be doing this to the groups that you have joined so that you can get a lot of people to download the ebook and then purchase the products for you to earn a commission. So you are going to come to the next group and you are going to repeat the same steps. Move to the next group and you are going to repeat the same steps. Once you are able to share this book to a lot of people, you are going to get them to purchase the product that you recommend and you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.